the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
US President Donald Trump said that the country will open even if vaccine is not found. He said that routine life will resume even without a vaccine. Trump had previously announced that a vaccine is due to be delivered by the year end. China has strongly reacted on the decision of US President Donald Trump to block the supply of chips and processors to Chinese mobile manufacturing majors. The Foreign Ministry said that the United States needed to stop the unreasonable suppression of Chinese companies like Huawei. The Chinese administration also warned of retaliation against Washington if it did not revisit its decision. In a move that could further worsen US-China ties, US President Donald Trump refused to hold further talks with Chinese President Xi Jinping. Trump said that he was disappointed with China's handling of the outbreak, which has resulted in thousands of deaths worldwide. Trump also suggested of severing financial ties with China in the future. United President Donald Trump's decision to fire State Department Inspector General Steve Linick has not gone down well with the Democrats. US President Trump dismissed Linick as the president reportedly said that Linick no longer commanded Trump's confidence. Several Democrats have decided to order a probe into the incident. They have also asked the White House to hand over all records related to the dismissal. New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern, who has received widespread praise for her deft handling of the COVID-19 outbreak in her nation, was turned away at a cafe owing to the very same social distancing guidelines laid out by her. Jacinda Ardern visited a cafe in Wellington with her partner Clark Gayford. However, as the restaurant had reached its social distancing capacity, the Prime Minister was turned away. Italy has decided to permit international travel as part of its move to ease restrictions. Accordingly, international travel is slated to commence from June 3rd. The easing of restrictions comes after the rate of infections and deaths have started decreasing. As part of its phased lifting of the lockdown, Pakistan resumed domestic flights from Saturday. Accordingly, domestic flights have been permitted from 5 major airports with several restrictions. The Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority said that at the moment, the Pakistan International Airlines and one private operator have been permitted to schedule flights. Restaurateurs and members of the Italian hospitality network staged protests in several cities across Italy in opposition to the new norms and restrictions imposed for the functioning of the restaurants. The members held up banners at Rome and other cities in protest and said that the new restrictions, including fewer guests at the tables due to social distancing, would severely impact their income and result in financial losses. Several protests were witnessed across the Polish capital, Warsaw, after business owners and public gathered in large numbers to oppose the restrictions imposed to contain the spread of COVID-19. Protesters raised slogans against the restrictions, saying it would impact their livelihood and personal freedom. A few of them reportedly tried to clash with the cops, resulting in several arrests.